Greetings YouTube, Tack Nerd 1.0 here. So this is a quick unboxing here. This is the $20 Amazon survival kit. And this is actually going to be part of this kit, if it's decent, will be part of another video that I've got coming up. And already I can say, I don't know. This is pretty large. So we'll see. And this is by, let's see here. This gifts for dad.
Daddy, chill.
I don't know. It's China.
China.
They don't know. Okay, so comes with this plastic box. This is kind of nice. If you had this in a car or something like that, that would be cool. Everything wouldn't splash around. A little bit of cordage here, not much, but there's a little bit. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm sure everything in here is going to be wrapped, and it is, so we'll have to go through it. There's some padding on here already, so that's good. Okay, first thing we got here, this looks like a knife. Your typical cheap Chi-Com knife. It does have a window breaker, so that is good. Decent. Not bad. That's kind of sharp. It's okay.
It's a good knife.
I don't know. Yeah, it's not too bad. Okay. So, emergency blanket. That is good. Just one. I would like more, but one is good. Right, and this is... So here we've got... This is a paracord bracelet. About 10 years ago, people were making these themselves. There's all kinds of videos on how to do that. So, paracord bracelet's decent because obviously you can wear it around your wrist and you can take it apart and have all this cordage. That's awesome. This one also looks like it does have a little compass on there, so you're never lost, only in your own mind. And what do we got here? Cheap flashlight. No batteries in it. It's probably AA. And I doubt that the lumen quality is going to be great. But again, this is a pretty cheap survival kit. So, all right, what do we got here? We have, looks like a key ring of sorts. Yeah, a key ring. Again, I don't know. Is this really a survival item? I guess. I guess that's how you put your keys on it. So, I don't know. I mean, you could definitely use this, though. You could strap this down to something else and use that. So, you know, if you had to hang something, that would be fine. Here's your fire starting kit here. So that is good. And it looks like that one doubles as, doubles as a small measuring device. So not bad. I do like things in these cases that double up on their usages. So this, you know, this is good. That doubles up. Here you go. This looks like a more traditional compass. Yeah. It's like a more traditional compass. All right. And we've got the ubiquitous tactical pen. So if you want to really show that the pen is mightier than the sword, there you go. And it's like we've got a spoon.
There is no spoon.
It's actually a spork. And beautiful. This is another thing that doubles up. It's also a whistle. Yeah, it's decently loud. I wouldn't say pretty loud. All right, and then here we've got, this is some hemp rope. I'm assuming this is going to be for fire starting, which, yeah. What do we got here? Oh, we have a of a fishing lure. Now you could use the, as most people know, you can use the inside threads in this paracord. You can get quite a bit of it out of there. There's quite a bit of that threading in there, and you could use that as fishing line. And then what we have here, we have a kind of a makeshift saw. I think most of you guys are aware of these. Take either end, drag it back and forth on a log. And these actually work pretty quickly. All right, what do we got here? Actually don't know what this is. Just some sort of a probe, I guess. Now what would be really useful is to have a magnet, rare earth magnet on the end of this. That would make it even more useful. We might actually do that. Here's a carabiner. Now this is at least a metal carabiner, and it does have a lock on it. Certainly wouldn't take this skydiving, or what are they using for? Rock climbing? Yeah, I certainly wouldn't take this rock climbing and put a lot of weight on it, but yeah, you could hold something with it. And then we've got one of these card wallet thingies. I don't know what you call them, kind of a multi-tool. This is the wrench portion here. You've got a bottle opener here, saw. Got some instructions here. Oh, there we go. It even tells you. 9. Number 9 is a directional ancillary indication. Direction ancillary indication. Okay. All right. We'll have to look that up. And what is that? 2 knife edge. Okay, I guess I could see that. It is sharp. It is sharp. So a lot of people put these in their wallets too. And then you've got a little bit of medical stuff here. Not much at all. Just basically just some Band-Aids and some alcohol pads. So not much in the way of a medical kit. 2 really large gauze bandages, and then some regular old bandages here. So what do I think of this kit? It's okay. It's fine. It covers the basics. That's good. I think if I were going to put something like this together, I would put some more medical gear in here. I would definitely put some super glue in here. These alcohol pads are good. I would probably try to get a few more of these in here because they also really help for fire starting. The flashlight, I know this is really going to suck. I've seen these type before. I don't think it's going to be very bright, but I wouldn't throw it out. I mean, I'm always going to keep a resource. I just don't know how, I don't know how useful it's going to be. But you know, we'll keep it in there. The only other thing I have is, like I said, this box is pretty big. So for what I have planned for this, I don't know if it's going to work. It might be too big. So we might end up transporting or transplanting this stuff into something else. But not bad. I wouldn't say not horrible. Is it worth $20 in today's market? Maybe, yeah. I would say, because if you go to Walmart and buy all this stuff, you're probably going to spend $20 or more. Even just to buy this box at Walmart, you're probably going to spend, you know, at least $5 or $6, which is kind of sad because a few years ago, I would say this probably wouldn't be worth it. I think I'd probably put some more fishing lures in there too, or something a little better than this. Plus, this has no hook on it. I think you could do better there. And fishing lures are pretty damn cheap. So, okay, that's all I have for you today. What I will do, though, is I will put in my Amazon affiliate link, I will put down below where you can grab one of these if you want to, kind of follow along with our plan. Like, share, and subscribe because we're going to be using this as part of an ultimate survival rifle with the Ruger PC-9. So we're going to assemble sort of a survival kit with that rifle and everything else that goes with it. So subscribe and stay tuned for that one. That one will be coming up. For now, this is Tack Nerd signing out.